Hello everyone. Today I'm going to make a flipbook from my animation, and to make the flipbook what I need to do is I need to print my renderings. So what I did was I created this animation. I'm going to convert this animation into a flipbook. To do that, I want to print a page which has a A4 size paper, which will have two frames and two empty frames on top. You can also see that the original image is little dull, and I have made the image vibrant. So I have to do it for all the 49 frames. So in order to speed up the process, I'm using the Photoshop Actions option, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So how it works is, uh, right now I'm in run 7. So I did the first 6, and now I'm doing the 7th and 8th. So I did the 7th. I will show you how to do the 8th. So I just go and open the 8th frame. Okay, and here if you go to window actions, what you need to do is create a new action. I will just call it new action. Okay, and then whatever changes you make to that new action, you have new action has to be turned on, but it is not working. Click on this. Oh, I don't want to create set this button here which says new action, and I'll call it new action. Okay, so now the new action is created, and then we are recording whatever changes we do to this image. For example, if you go to image, adjustment, hue saturation, and say you increase the saturation of the image. So I did it 50%. Okay, so hue saturation has been added. Now I resized the image so that I could get 1/4 of a A4 size paper. So I looked at the size, and I went to image, canvas size in millimeters, and I changed it to 148.5 by 105. Okay, so the image was resized, and then another action was added. So you can see whatever you do, those actions get added. If you go to image canvas size again in millimeters, now the width is fine. I need to double the height, and I want to do it on top, and then I got that. And then I need to double this size, so I'll go to image canvas size, and now millimeters. So this becomes 297. Okay, and then now I get this image in the corner. So you continuously keep doing this. I'll stop it now, and I will delete it because I don't need it. I've already done this. I'll show you. I'll close this also. So I did one canvas size, second canvas size, third canvas size, then I did hue saturation, brightness, and vibrance to get this look. Then the 7th one is open. I'll open 8th one, and I will simply select this one and hit play, and all the changes are added and a new image is created. So I just want this image to be copied in front of this. So I just select this, select inverse, Control C, Control V, and move it here. Okay, and then I will just add text 7, and this one is number 8. Okay, so this way you can automate your work in Photoshop and speed up your work process. JPEG, and I will name it F7. Okay, so I'm naming it one F1, F3, F5, F7. So I've done 7 and 8, and then I'll do 9, 10. Keep posted for my next tutorial where I'm going to show you how to put the flipbook together. Thanks.